could swim in the river. They said we could swim in the river. We may explore a cave. They said we might explore a cave. We will take a picnic. They said they would take a picnic. The weather will be fine. They said the weather would be fine. We might see some wildlife in the woods. They said they might see some wildlife in the woods. We should bring our cameras. They said we should bring our cameras. Around the fire we sing, reported words we bring. They said, they told, they asked, reported speech is everything. We can't make a fire here. They said we couldn't make a fire there. We shouldn't leave food outside. They said we shouldn't leave food outside. We won't get lost. They said we wouldn't get lost. We may not sleep well. They said we might not sleep well. Around the fire we sing, reported words we bring. They said, they told, they asked, reported speech is everything. Can we swim in the river? They asked if they could swim in the river. May we explore a cave? They asked if they might explore a cave. Will we take a picnic? They asked if we would take a picnic. Should we bring more water? They asked if we should bring more water. Might we see some wildlife? They asked if they might see some wildlife. Around the fire we sing, reported words we bring. They said, they told, they asked, reported speech is everything.